Ever thought your car's emergency unlock could be a security threat? A significant flaw was found in newly designed vehicles, where emergency unlock features were misconfigured, allowing unintended access. It became apparent when owners reported unauthorized entries, creating major security concerns. This oversight shed light on the potential hazards in automotive tech, emphasizing the need for robust safety assessments. Engineers were called for urgent fixes to avert further risks. This incident reminds us that every tech advancement must be carefully evaluated to prevent dangerous surprises.